Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 955 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the up button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the system option, select it, and then press the start button to enter. In the system menu, scroll down, select the option called time and press the start button to enter. And here, scroll down, select the option called set time, press the start button and make sure to change the set time option to manual. So select manual, press the start button, and once the set time is changed to manual, you will see that the time option appeared below it, and we can select it, press start button, and now we can adjust the time. To change the time, simply use the up and down buttons to adjust the hour, then press the start button to jump to minutes, adjust the minutes, then press the start button and adjust AM and PM. And once you're done, press the start button to confirm and then press it again like this. And as you can see, the time changed. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.